Gold rushes, a farewell to a titan, and a computer revolution, January 24th, proves one day can change everything. On this day in 1848, James W. Marshall spotted gold at Sutter's mill in California. News spread fast, drawing fortune seekers worldwide and accelerating California's growth into a state. On this day in 1965, Winston Churchill passed away in London. The Nobel-winning writer and statesman became a symbol of resolve during World War II, shaping modern British history. On this day in 1984, Apple unveiled the Macintosh, championed by Steve Jobs. Its icons, mouse, and easy software helped mainstream the graphical user interface and reshaped personal computing. Save this and follow for more on This Day History every day.